So before that, I just want to give a brief introduction about how we started this online classes. So due to COVID-19 in the month of February and March, our activities had come to a standstill. So we could not carry out any physical activity due to restrictions of lockdown and all that. So we were just wondering how to go ahead. So our president came with this idea of short-term courses. He proposed this. So we will start short-term courses so that to enhance the skill level of our teachers. We will call this program as health and wellness. So without moving from our homes, so we can teach as well as we can learn. So we elaborated on this. We held a discussion with our board members and our other valuable members and decided to start with yoga. So we started with yoga, a 2-week course. So subsequently it was followed by pranayama and meditation, acupressure, Ayurveda, then anatomy and physiology, then food and nutrition, etc. Presently yoga therapy course is going on. So this has been a very successful venture in terms of participation and the response received. So all the students have given us a feedback that the courses have really been useful. In fact, many of the students have continued for all the courses. About 7-8 students, they started with the first course and they are continuing till yoga therapy. So that itself speaks that this program has been a big success in terms of quality, because our faculty members like Sanjay Singh ji, Priyanka ji, they are all very knowledgeable and experienced teachers. And we also have Dr. Ayurvedic doctor. She is also a very knowledgeable lady. And yoga therapy is also being conducted by experienced faculty. So we have our in-house faculty also. Swati Kumari ji is also a trained and experienced yoga teacher. She has also cleared UGC NET. So sometimes I also teach in terms of yoga and certain pranayam. 1 or 2 classes I also conduct. So overall, this has been a very encouraging program. So we want to take this ahead. So far we have conducted 8 courses. So next course we are planning is that pranic healing. Pranic healing will be conducted by another subject expert. His name will be disclosed after some time. So once he joins the meeting. So this is the basic idea of getting feedback about our courses. Also your valuable opinions and ideas and suggestions to go ahead. How do we progress further, take this to the next level. So we invite our participants, give their valuable suggestions. Saranji? सारंजी?
यस सर, इधर नेटवर्क का बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है, क्लियर नहीं आ रहा।
अच्छा अच्छा, इसलिए ठीक है ठीक है। We will start with Kalpana Karia, madam. Madam, you can please give your
yeah, hello. Okay, I will put my video off. Okay. Okay, good morning, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. And
good afternoon, ma'am.
For the last 40s, but even so it's very good. But what we should do, are these just only Zoom classes, or do you even give them recordings? Because what we do in Alliance Yoga, we have the Google recordings, and then we give them the recording, so that people who cannot do it at the Zoom timing, live teachings, they look at the videos and then they do it from the videos, and then they have examinations and all that as well. So are we also just doing live, only, or are we also giving them recordings?
Giving them recordings to the participants.
We give them the recordings, yeah? or the
Yes,
participants?
yes,
Okay.
yes,
Yeah, okay,
yes,
fine.
yes.
Yeah. That's good. That's what I because अगर recording होता है ना उन लोगों के पास, then it is better that they can, follow it up, or people who would not join the class that time because of time differences and all that. Now,
Yes, yes.
if you want to involve international students, is the courses in English? Because I have not attended any. Is the courses in English?
It is both Hindi and English. If it is international,
Yeah. Then we can. I can't hear you. Sorry, sir. Hello? I can't hear you. Your network is.
Network issue, ma'am.
that Dr. Priyanka and Dr. Suprita, they can in English. So that is not a problem. Since Indian students are involved, we combine both Hindi and English.
Yeah,
So if it is a
exactly.
foreign course, then we'll have to keep a separate batch and they will
So-
deliver the lectures in pure English. Purely in
Yeah,
English.
okay, but
That
okay,
can be
fine.
arranged.
So if we can, what we can do is like what my suggestion was that we can form, like I would love to teach with this as well, right? Because I've been teaching on my own with the
Yes,
International
yeah.
Federation of Yoga. You have seen my post, right? IFYP courses I've
Yes,
been
yes,
conducting, and I've been just doing on my own. But it's very good when we involve other teachers,
Yes, ma'am.
because I've been doing on my own courses with IFYP,
Yes.
and then with Alliance, International Alliance Yoga, there are 5 teachers, and it's all on. So yesterday only, because they've been having a lot of problem with the recordings and all that. So when I had my Bhagavad Gita class with them, they told me that if you're doing something else, we'd like to join in, because either उन लोगों को that a lot of problems logging in with the Google Drive and all that for the recordings. And the recordings there, उन लोगों का recordings clear नहीं था. It was all video recordings, but the video recordings were not clear.
Mhm.
So they were a bit upset, the students, some of them. So they complained to me because I'm doing it
Mhm.
voluntarily. That because other people are all paid,
Yes.
but I just do it voluntary work. So then they asked me, so this is what I was thinking. So I told them yesterday as well. I said, we have international IFIP teaching, teachers training. And they said, yeah, we'd love to join in that one as well. So instead of doing just my alone, what we can do is we can choose, like we can have 5 teachers. We can have one person who is like, I even don't mind volunteering as a teacher and even as an administrator. So we have to have a proper team, an administrative team, somebody who will be, so somebody who is in charge of uploading the recordings, somebody who's in charge of registering the, so an admin person, basically.
We call them
So-
course coordinator. We call them course
Yeah,
coordinator.
course coordinators. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
So, and I don't mind. I'd love to do it, and
Yes, ma'am.
and then the course. So we should have a teachers team and a separate group for the teachers.
Yes, panel.
You know,
We will have panel.
Yeah,
Yes.
a teachers panel with the IFIP main committee members,
Okay.
So exactly what you're doing. So that is what my suggestion was. And then we can really make it to a different level. Should really take it, concentrating on, like, even I've been teaching a lot of other as well. And then we can even have short courses, like just mudra course separately. Like recently, I think I sent you this thing, which was, I was doing a pranayam course, 15 lessons pranayam course I'm starting. So, all these separate courses as well. And then, of
Yes,
course, the yoga
mudra
therapy
is
course, but
another possibility.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
yeah, mudra course, bandhas, because bandhas, mudras, they take, but they are like 5 lesson or 10 lesson courses, you see. So
Yes,
those
these are
lesson
short-term courses, maximum 12 sessions.
Sure. Yeah,
So
exactly.
these are short-term
Short-term
courses, certificate level
Yeah.
courses. So
Exactly.
basic idea is to impart the basic knowledge. That's all.
Yeah, exactly. So that is what we can do. And then all this one thing I've noticed, that even they're all very much interested in Bhagavad Gita, because Bhagavad Gita is yoga. Actually, it is 12 yoga systems explained. So that's what, like yesterday I had a very nice listening on karma yoga, and there were so many students who came in, and they were all asking such nice questions and all that. I did a whole 18 chapter Bhagavad Gita course. I have that course ready as well with me. So, like incorporated with the course, therapy course jo yoga ka hota hai. उसमें history of yoga and Bhagavad Gita, that is also one of the topics आ जाता है.
Major this thing. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So
Okay.
we're not just taking Bhagavad Gita as a religious aspect, but the day-to-day aspect, that why and what is, because 12 different systems of yoga are explained. So we're not just doing Hatha Yoga, which is the exercise part, and Dhyan Yoga, meditation, but we also teach them the other parts of the yoga, the Karma Yoga and Bhakti Yoga. So, and just explaining like more is the explanations and teaching them. So, I don't mind. I'd love to be part of the main team and teach with this, with the group, and we can have, but don't have too many teachers as well. I was thinking maximum 5 teachers is enough.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
then
So presently we have about 5 only. We don't
Yeah.
have much.
Yeah.
All
Exactly.
qualified and experienced and very capable
Exactly.
faculty.
Yeah. Just that would
So
be.
they know their subject. They know how to deliver, and their presentation is also very, very good.
Yeah.
So we will develop
Nice.
that kind of panel only, madam.
Yeah. Exactly.
Oh.
So then maybe initially now we should start with the teachers group, and then we can go about it and
Yes.
take it to the level and all that.
We will
And
do
now,
that.
yeah. Okay. And now about the charges, like if they're international students, you have got this thing, then they can pay in India, or how?
Yeah. That we are working out, myself and Sadananji. We will discuss with you privately, madam. All three of us will discuss. Myself,
No problem.
Sadananji, and
That's right.
myself.
Yeah. Okay,
Oh,
fine.
thank you.
All right. Okay. No problem. All right. Okay,
Thank
fine.
you so
Thanks.
much.
Yes. Thank you so
Sanjay
much.
Singh ji. संजय सिंह जी.
हाँ जी सर, नमस्कार सभी लोगों को मेरा.
नमस्कार संजय सिंह
जी. हम लोग के क्लासेस जो भी चल रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छे से चल रहे हैं. मुझे तो लगता है कि उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा, मैडम ने जो कहा रिकॉर्डिंग की, तो मुझे लगता है रिकॉर्डिंग की भी बात हम लोग की सदन जी से बात हुई थी कि रिकॉर्डिंग भी हम लोग प्रोवाइड करेंगे. और रिकॉर्डिंग के साथ पीडीएफ वगैरह हम लोग अरेंज करते ही हैं. पीडीएफ से ही मैनेज होता है. जो स्टडी मटेरियल्स हैं उसके लिए हम लोग अरेंज करते हैं, और उस पीडीएफ और स्टडी मटेरियल से ही पढ़ाया जाता है. उसके साथ इंक्लूडिंग जब रिकॉर्डिंग होती है तो पीडीएफ और क्लास दोनों एक साथ जॉइंट्स रहते हैं, तो रिकॉर्डिंग भी प्रोवाइड हो सकता है. इसमें कोई बहुत वो नहीं है, बहुत आसानी से हो सकता है. और जो हम लोग प्रोसीडिंग चल रहा है वो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छे से चल रहा है. उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा परिवर्तन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि हम लोग के कहीं ना कहीं फॉलोअर्स भी काफ़ी अच्छे हैं और बहुत अच्छी संख्या है. उनको मोटिवेट करना है कि इस कोर्स की तरफ अट्रैक्ट किए जाए अदर्स पर्सनस को भी. बस यदि वो लोग अट्रैक्ट करते हैं फॉलोअर्स और साथ में जोड़ते हैं, तो हम लोगों के लिए स्टूडेंट लेंथ भी अच्छी रहेगी और क्लासेज भी अच्छे से मैनेज हो सकता है. बिल्कुल
ठीक है.
थैंक यू सर.
बहुत अच्छी बात है. थैंक यू संजय सिंह जी.
हाँ जी.
और अभी हमारा फैकल्टी मेंबर से भी ले लेते हैं, प्रियंका जी से. डॉक्टर प्रियंका इज ऑनलाइन. you can also give valuable suggestions, Priyanka ji.
Yes, I feel I saw a lot of enthusiasm in students. So yes, because through food and nutrition, they wanted to know a lot of things which I feel was not possible to be taken in a short-term course. क्योंकि जैसे मैंने उस दिन भी last class में बताया था, there is now specialization of branches. So now if somebody wants to learn more about renal, they have to give quite a long time to understand this system. Similarly, thyroid आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा है. So right from Ayurveda, when we make a diet, हम लोग doshas को भी consider करते हैं, naturopathy को भी करते हैं, and even our own nutrition science, to alter protein and all. So I think these all things need little time, and we can discuss on short-term courses in these areas. And also feedback can be taken from students that in further what they would like to know. Even weight loss itself is a quite an in-depth field. Weight loss is not just something which can be taught in few classes, because some student asked me over a message that what when the person hits a plateau, क्योंकि 4-5 kg कम करने के बाद एक स्टेज आता है स्पेसिफिकली जिनको हार्मोन्स के इश्यूज होते हैं कि उसके आगे वेट नहीं हिलता है. So there is a procedure for going for it, and I think कुछ therapeutic के classes अलग किए जा सकते हैं, कुछ थोड़े और classes अलग किए जा सकते हैं, and we can formulate different courses, जिसके बारे में I think details would be better if we discuss over phone with the faculty itself, and also depending on the feedback of the students. So I think वैसे courses हम लोग आगे सोच सकते हैं, in case you also, आप लोगों को भी लगता है कि it is required.
Yes, very good. I agree with you completely. Actually, this being a short-term course, we cannot give in-depth knowledge. That is understandable. But naturally, the students have the curiosity to learn more. So, as a faculty, we need to explain that it is not possible in a short-term course. This is only giving a brief idea about food and nutrition or whatever it is. And as you rightly said, we can, for example, weight loss. If participants are interested to learn more about weight loss, then we can conduct a course, short-term course on weight loss itself, depending upon the demand and the assessment of the faculty. Yes, the students are keen to know. So like you have given the example of weight loss, you can also suggest in future other like thyroid. So many other things. We will work on that. I have noted down weight loss as a course. So we will discuss on this and develop this course.
All right.
Myself,
Even I'll explore the related topics which I thought would be beneficial.
Yes,
and
yes.
I'll share with you.
Yes, the courses should be of about 12 sessions. So that we can cover. Yeah, that should be enough. So alternative, if we conduct that goes itself almost a month, 25-26 days it goes. So we should be able to conduct. Thank you, Priyanka ji, for the valuable suggestions, ideas. और रमेश प्रजापति जी, आप भी अपना सुझाव दे दीजिएगा. जी, आवाज आ रहा है? हेलो, आवाज आ रही है. मेरा सभी को नमस्कार. सर, बहुत अच्छा कोर्स. मैं तो बहुत शेयर करता हूँ लोगों को कि इंटरेस्टेड हैं और अच्छा कोर्स है, चलना चाहिए ऐसा कोर्स. हाँ, थोड़ा आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है. आवाज ब्रेक हो रही है आपका. हाँ, थोड़ा आवाज की प्रॉब्लम. हाँ, नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ठीक है, आपकी तरफ से सजेशन कुछ है तो बताइए. हाँ, सुनने में दिक्कत हो रही है. सजेशन में सर ये है कि लोग मतलब ये सोचते हैं कि सर्टिफिकेट की बात करते हैं. अगर ऑफलाइन भी अगर प्रोवाइड किया जाए तो ये बहुत अच्छा होगा. ऑफलाइन अभी कोविड के बाद करेंगे. अभी कोविड जब तक रेस्ट्रिक्शन है तब तक हम ऑनलाइन में कर सकते हैं. उसके बाद ऑफलाइन में हम जरूर करेंगे. सो हमारा जो सेंटर्स है, अफिलिएशन सेंटर्स है ऑल ओवर इंडिया, सो उनको थ्रू हम ऑफलाइन भी करवाएंगे. और थ्रू आप जिसे आप मेंबर हैं आप भी कर सकते हैं. सो हमारा मेंबर्स और एसोसिएट्स के साथ ऑफलाइन भी हम करने के लिए प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. शायद इस साल में वो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. मे बी 21 में वो हम जरूर करेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.
Yes, sir. Even I was saying that offline courses, so I would be interested to do it in Pune. And even
yes. We will definitely do it. We will definitely, as soon as this COVID situation improves, restrictions go on, because presently we cannot conduct. If something goes wrong, then we will be blamed. So we don't want to take that chances. So we will just wait for 3 months. So September, October, November, December. So 3-4 months we'll have to wait.
अभी तो sir, like I'm attached to college. तो अभी तो college भी we are taking online classes only, and I don't see any changes this year.
Nowhere it has started, so let us not take the chance. But offline will definitely be taken up maybe in the next year through जैसे मुनीरा है, रमेश जी, सब लोग है हमारा. एसोसिएट अफिलिएशन सेंटर्स भी है, वो सब करने में काफी इंटरेस्ट है। सो अभी हमारा अनुरोध ये है कि आप लोग जरा ये कोर्स को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों के पास पहुंचा दें, प्रमोट करें, ये सब करने के लिए उनको एनकरेज करें, क्योंकि हम लोग नॉमिनल फीस रखे हैं 2500 रुपीज इज ऑलमोस्ट नथिंग। सो बट आवर एम इज नॉट टू अर्न मनी, पैसा कमाना हमारा ये नहीं है, लक्ष्य नहीं है हमारा, एक ही ज्यादा से ज्यादा ज्ञान दें लोगों को, नॉलेज दें, वो हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस में सोसाइटी को इम्प्रूवमेंट दें, यही हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है। सो इसमें आपका भी सहायता चाहिए कि आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों को ये प्रमोट करेंगे, वो एनरोल करेंगे और कोर्स चलते रहेगा। सो ये आपसे हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं। और नेक्स्ट है अपना निवेदिता।
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm outside, so not able to speak now.
Okay. Later on we can talk.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Sure. Thank you, Munira.
I gave the feedback, sir.
You just spoke one word. You can talk more.
Yes,
नहीं,
sir.
बहुत
I
अच्छा
will also
सजेशन
try.
दिया है।
Yeah, I will try to put it in my groups also. In fact, I have put
Yes.
also. So
Okay.
I hopefully
Yeah.
will get more entries.
Yeah. Please promote. Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Next, Swati ji. स्वाति जी।
Hello.
हाँ स्वाति जी।
Sir, some network issue from my side, sir. Am I audible, sir?
हाँ
Hello.
हाँ आवाज आ रही है, बताइए।
Hello.
Audible.
Hello.
हेलो, हाँ जी बताइए, आवाज आ रही है।
सर अब one second, sir. हेलो हेलो।
हाँ स्वाति जी बताइए।
सर मेरे ख्याल से पॉइंट तो सारे कवर हो गए सर, आपने कर दिए।
अच्छा ठीक है, ओके। फिर वाइंड अप कर देते हैं सदानंद जी।
जी सर, पार्टिसिपेंट्स ज्यादा ज्वाइन किए नहीं अभी।
संडे है ना, सब बिजी रहे होंगे। कोई बात नहीं, इतना जितना मिले।
अभी क्लास भी है ना, योगा थेरेपी और फूड न्यूट्रिशन दोनों का क्लास आज।
अच्छा, वो ये वाला ज्वाइन नहीं किया हमारा, रामपुर वाला ज्वाइन नहीं किया। ठीक है
जी जी, बात कर लेंगे।
और ये फीडबैक भी लेना। हेलो
जी,
हेलो सर।
हाँ जी बताइए।
ये फीडबैक भी लेना था ना। हाँ नहीं, फीडबैक भी चाहिए था ना, तो पार्टिसिपेंट्स तो है ही नहीं, तो
हाँ ठीक है। अभी जो भी मिला है हमारा जो सजेशंस, स्टूडेंट्स कम है ना, इसलिए फीडबैक नहीं रहेगा। ये ठीक है। 2-3 चीज ये मिला है कि जैसे मैडम ने बताया, मुद्रा और बंदाज का भी हम कोर्स कर सकते हैं, और डॉक्टर प्रियंका जी से बताया वेट लॉस जैसे कोर्सेस, ये सब हम लोग डेवलप करेंगे। सो जैसे इंटरेस्ट आते ही जाता है, डिमांड आते रह जाता है स्टूडेंट से, ये सब कोर्स हम डेवलप करते जाएंगे। वेट मुद्रा बंदा एक कोर्स रहेगा
ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड सर। मुद्रा एंड बंदा इज ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड इन आवर सिलेबस सर।
सिलेबस में है लेकिन डिटेल में नहीं ना। जैसे वेट लॉस भी फूड एंड न्यूट्रिशन में है, लेकिन डिटेल में नहीं रहेगा। अगर लोग और भी डिटेल में जाना चाहते हैं, उनके लिए रहेगा। अभी वेट लॉस क्या है, मैडम प्रियंका जी बताएंगे कि थोड़ा 5-10 मिनट में समझाएंगे। मे बी 20 मिनट्स में। लेकिन अगर स्टूडेंट्स उसमें ज्यादा डीप में जाना चाहते हैं फिर उसके लिए अलग से कोर्स डेवलप करना
बहुत कुछ है सर उसका मतलब। हाँ, I mean it's quite detailed. DMR calculate करना and all that. It is quite a detailed thing.
That itself is a certificate course. Yes, that itself is a certificate course.
नंदगोपाल सर, ये जो स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे जो कोर्सेज होते हैं वो कैप्सूल कोर्स के रूप में भी बोले जाते हैं। 2 से 3 दिन का स्पेशल कोर्स होते हैं जो स्पेशली एक टॉपिक पे होता है, विशेष टॉपिक पे। तो हम लोग उसको कैप्सूल कोर्स के रूप में कराते हैं 2 से 3 दिन का।
कैप्सूल फॉर्म में दे देंगे।
तो जब हम एक पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे क्लास करेंगे तो कैप्सूल कोर्स कर सकते हैं।
कैप्सूल कोर्स कर सकते हैं, मे बी 3 या 5 सेशन उसके अंदर खत्म करके वो कर। गुड सजेशन, नोटेड डाउन। थैंक यू। ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर participating, taking your valuable time. We are very grateful to you, and we will all work together to promote yoga and health in the society in India as well as abroad by joint efforts. We are all very thankful to you for the continuous support and the moral boosting you are giving to us, even the difficult times of जी।
अभी ज्योति मिश्रा जी ज्वाइन किए हैं, इनसे चाय तो ले सकते हैं आप।
ज्योति मिश्रा जी, उनको बैकग्राउंड पता है? ज्योति मिश्रा जी, ज्योति जी
ऐसा
आप आपका सजेशन दे सकते हैं, फीडबैक, सजेशन, एडवाइस कोर्स के बारे में, हमारा कैसे इसको आगे बढ़ा के ले जाएं अभी तक कुछ।
सब मैं बस मैं ऐसी बात सुनने के लिए आ रही थी। आई सॉरी, मैं सजेशन नहीं दे सकती आज। मेरे को बस सुनना कि क्या कौन क्या चीजें क्या।
ओके ठीक है, आप थोड़ा लेट आ गई हैं, अभी कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं हम लोग। नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज ज्वाइन करें।
Yes.
Thank you for participating. Next time we will share the link.
Yeah, sure. Okay? Thank you.
Okay. Thank you all for participating. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir. Okay, thank you.
नमस्कार सभी लोगों को।
Thank you.
नमस्कार
sir. नमस्ते।
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Swati, I have a class at 11. You're coming on?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah? Okay, I'll send you the link just now. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.